Hi everyone, hope you're all well. Today I'm making a chicken, ginger and cashew stir fry with coconut noodles. A really nice dish and a quick dish to make as well. So to get started, I'm going to do the coconut noodles first. Obviously when you're doing this dish, you'll do your noodles at the exact same time as when you're doing your stir fry so that they're nice and fresh. So in here I've got a litre of vegetable stock. You can use chicken stock either. It's nice and hot. And I'm going to add in a tin of coconut milk. I'm using the full fat coconut milk. Use the light one either. And this is 400 mils. So get that all in there and dissolve it and bring it to the boil. When the coconut milk has fully dissolved and it's come back to the boil, we're going to add in our egg noodles. These are the ones I'm using. They're a fine egg noodle. Just check the instructions at the back to see how long they take to cook, and these take about 3 minutes. So I'm going to get these into my liquid now. I got these ones in Aldi. They're not too expensive. Just going to break them up and add them in there. This dish I'm making today will feed about 4 people. We're going to cook these now for about 4 minutes. My noodles are ready. I've removed them from the heat. What I'm going to do, because I've made this before I've done my stir fry, I'm going to put them in a Pyrex bowl and I'm going to add some of the liquid just to keep them nice and moist and stop them from drying out. And when I'm ready to serve up my stir fry, I'll put my noodles in the microwave for a minute or two just to heat them up. So get your noodles into the dish. I'm just going to add a ladle or two of the liquid to keep them nice and moist. And now I'm going to place some cling wrap over them. I'm going to set them to one side now, and now we're going to make our stir fry. Alright, I'm ready to get started on the stir fry now. It's best to have all your ingredients ready for this because this is really quick. I've got a pan here with a tablespoon of sunflower oil and 2 tablespoons of sesame oil. This is lovely, it really adds to the flavour of the stir fry. If you've got a wok, even better, use it. My wok has gone very rusty, so I'm going to have to go with the pan today. You want your oil smoking like this. And into here I'm going to add in 6 cloves of garlic that I've chopped nice and fine. And I've got a tablespoon of ginger, fresh ginger. Just going to cook these for a couple of seconds. Just make sure not to burn them. Alright, so into here I'm going to add my chicken. I've got 450 grams of chicken here and I've sliced it nice and thinly. What I do is I slice the chicken breast in half and then thinly slice it. I'm going to cook this now for a couple of minutes. Okay, I'm happy now that that's cooked nicely. If you want to check, just cut a piece of one of the bigger bits in half. And that's cooked all the way through. We're going to add our vegetables now. I'm going to start with carrots. I've got 1 large carrot here and you can see I cut the carrot nice and thinly as well. Next up it's munch too. I cut these in half and I just cut them at an angle when I cut them in half. 150 grams. Mushrooms, 250 grams of mushrooms, and I just slice them. I'm going to cook all this together now for a couple of minutes on a nice high heat. We want the vegetables slightly cooked, but we still want them crunchy. The stir fry is ready. I've checked the veg and they're cooked. Still got a nice crunch to them as well. So into here I'm going to add in some toasted cashews. I've got 150 grams and I've just chopped them up roughly. Just make sure to toast them because they do add so much more flavour. So I'm going to add them in there. Look at the colour that brings to the dish. I've got some salt and pepper, black pepper, and I'm going to give that a stir through. You can see all those beautiful colours, looks lovely, I have to say. And my final ingredient is some freshly chopped coriander, about 2 tablespoons. I'm going to sprinkle that over there. That's it everyone, that's my chicken, ginger and cashew stir fry. A really quick and simple dish, lots of lovely flavours in there. I'm going to serve it up now. I've heated my noodles up a little in the microwave just for a minute or two and they're perfect. So I'm going to serve them in a nice bowl. Put them in there. And now for my stir fry. I'll sprinkle on another couple of cashews. Love cashews on anything like this, and a little bit of extra coriander. Beautiful, look at that. Gorgeous. It's great flavours in that little dish. There it is everyone. That's my chicken, ginger and cashew stir fry served with lovely coconut noodles. You're all going to love this dish. Super quick, easy and healthy as well. Go try it out and let me know in the comments down below what you think. If there's any other dishes like this you'd like me to make, comment below too to let me know. Happy baking everyone and enjoy. See you soon.